Alright, so we're going to brown the meat, brown the onions before we add the black pearl rice and other ingredients for this soup. Mashallah. This is the rice we'll be using. It is very unique, takes a while to cook, but it'll be in the stew so it won't run out of water. Low and slow. Then it will burst open, get all curly, and it has a lot of wonderful nuttiness to it. Here's what it looks like out of the bag before I rinse it. It's very beautiful. Okay, so we've added the water. We'll bring this to a boil and then cover it, turn it down to a simmer, cook it low and slow for several hours. Alright, the organic grass-fed ground beef stew came out well. Put in some Campari tomatoes, white onions, bay leaf. See how the rice kind of burst open? That black pearl rice. The garlic is a nice touch. Paprika, olive oil, mashallah. Perfect for this cold weather. The bay leaves add some earthiness as well. Woohoo, yeah. Looking good, mashallah.